All right, today is a rainy day. We're in 4-H and we're in 4-H chickens, and so we've got a nice big chicken coop that is good for all the birds, but sometimes they pick on each other and they'll pull feathers, and with a show bird you want something nicer. So we're gonna make a small run. Whatever these boards are, I think they're 18 foot in length. We're just gonna make a small run, maybe 6 foot, because that's divisible by 18. We'll go 6 wide, we'll go 18 long. We've got these dog pen gates that I really like because it's a full frame and the gates mounted inside of it. They're about $70, $85, something like that at Menards. We've used them for all of our other chicken coops and I really like them. So we'll basically frame that in for that gate, and then we'll just put like chicken wire over it. We use a black chicken wire because it's more invisible, it looks a little bit nicer, and we'll set that next to our existing chicken coop, and that way if we need to raise some smaller birds or if we just want to separate some to protect them, we'll have a kind of just a separate place for them. So we'll get started on this. I'm going to try to just build this thing kind of like a frame, different pieces that we can just pick up on a sunnier day, walk out there, screw them together, and then run the chicken wire. Done. We should be able to just screw those frames together in a box out there in the woods. We'll probably do a little clearing, and then we'll put chicken wire over it, and we'll build a little shelter, something the chickens can get out of the wind and rain. For the most part, we're probably going to use this spring and summer, but I think we're good. Okay, thanks for watching.